care about climate change, both in terms of the impact that we have on the climate, but also the impact that the climate has on us. I think one of the key aspects in terms of what we can think about is how do we use this opportunity presented by these impacts of climate change to think about how we do investments differently in our cities.
So as a city planners and a city responsible, you have the capacity to influence especially those exposure and vulnerability factors.
The county shall proactively engage all stakeholders in advancing evidence-based adaptation mechanism that shall ameliorate the health and the well-being of the ecosystem and the human-built environment.
The issues of unplanned, fragmented cities having an impact on climate risk and how well you can adapt to climate change. But we also know that unplanned and fragmented cities are also more polluting cities and create higher emissions.
More sustainable development pathway is required to build habitable cities for urban dwellers. This is even more relevant in the more difficult climatic conditions that will prevail in the future.
We are here to present to you our project. The urbanization rate is alarming. It is projected that by 2035 we shall be at 7 million. So you can imagine the extent to which this could go if we do not manage the floods of Kampala.
Project is on biogas and converting organic that we have in our wastes into biogas, which is useful. We have a problem of inappropriate solid waste management within Kisumu, from the point of generation to the dumping place, and we do open dump.
The best overall. Great work.